Welcome back to Tool Review Friday. Today I got Eli kind of helping me with this 3M. It is the 3M Hand Masker M3000. All in all, this is a great tool. It basically puts tape on paper, as you can see here. Very basic, but it is a lifesaver and it will save you a ton of time. I basically use this on the floor here, and there'll be a wall. And so I don't like using tape for cutting in because tape is not very good for cutting in straight lines. I could make a video on that at another time. But for rolling a wall, you're gonna have spritzels raining down, and this will catch it all. When you're done, tear it up, throw it away. It's cheap. You could use 2-inch tape, you could use 1-inch tape, you could use 6-inch paper, 8-inch, 12-inch paper. You could use the plastic comes with it. Both the paper and the tape are the same size spools, so they both run out at the same time. So this edge right here is for when you're going up on baseboard. You can make sure you get a nice edge on there and follow the side and just cut it, and there you go. It's that simple. I'm pretty sure I got this for $35 on Amazon. I'll make sure to post a link in the description if you want to pick one up. Like I said, I use this thing for just about everything, whether it be painting, tiling, anything where it's going to make a little bit of a mess. It is fantastic for quick, easy masking. All in all, this 3M masker is a very basic tool, very simple tool. There's nothing special about it, except for it puts tape on paper very efficiently, very quickly. Hope you enjoyed today's video. It's going to be short because there's really nothing fancy about this product, except for it puts tape on paper very good and very fast. So check this product out. I'll make sure to post a link of it in the description, and subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. We got Tip Tuesday videos, and we got other just DIY videos that come out all the time as I do them for clients or as I do them in my own house. So stay tuned for that. Also check out our website at www.stoodleyco.com, and that's my website for my construction business. I am a licensed general contractor, so if you're in the Twin Cities metro area, give me a call if you have a project you want me to do. So that's all for now, and we will see you guys next time.